That was the atmosphere at the Supreme Court moment after the ruling was delivered. The Apex Court decision was that the High Court in Kumasi's ruling on November 11, 2021, which ordered that Nii Adama Latse's name be restored into the National Register as the Gamanche, has been quashed. Again, the Supreme Court ruled that the decision of the second highest court of the land, the Court of Appeal, on June 12, 2025, is set aside because King Tackie Adama was not given a hearing, and that offends the rules of natural justice. Moments after the decision, lawyer for the Gamanche has this message for the people.
We are out of this court with a victory for clients. Our clients' personal rights in Section 57 have been vindicated, and the background is very clear. On May 6th, he was in the Regional House of Chiefs, where he was denied an injunction. In that injunction ruling, the Regional House of Chiefs Judicial Committee made it clear that my client is the Gamanche, and he shall continue to be Gamanche in that particular capacity. He ignored that ruling and tried to dribble us to Kumasi, obtained a mandamus on our bland site, and this mandamus has been affirmed by the Court of Appeal, and it is this mandamus that the court said it will not stand today. It has been set aside. He remains the Gamanche, and for purposes of registration in the National House of Chiefs, his name remains as the Gamanche until determined otherwise.
As it stands, the Gamanche remains Nii Tackie Adama until such time that the parties go back properly before the High Court and the processes start all over again. Until then, the decision of the Apex Court of the land, a 5-member panel of course, with this unanimous decision, still stands. Mutalai Nusa, GH1.